What is up, guys? My name is Ethan. I'm back here at Worldwide RV, and today we're taking a look at this fantastic 2005 Beaver Marquis Pearl Edition. This is a 41-foot diesel pusher that back in the day MSRP'd for over $500,000. So let's go ahead, take a look inside, and show you what that gets you. Stepping inside of the Beaver, the first thing you're going to notice is just how open this floor plan is. And that's because you're getting 4 slides total. That's 2 on either side. You have dual 3-person couches, and just look at this luxurious marble wood going all throughout, including this figure 8 in the roof that actually has accent lighting built in. And then right above where you can see, there's actually a built-in sound bar. And that's truly what you get when you pay for a diesel pusher of this level. Into the kitchen of this Beaver, you're going to have your standard sink with 2 different buckets, along with a tap for hot boiling water, soap dispenser, standard sink faucet, along with a tap for drinking water. Coming along, you're going to have a convection microwave, along with a 2 stovetop burner. But take a look at this. This is actually a cooled and rotating wine cellar. So you could take all your wine or liquor on the road. And then underneath from there, you're going to have plenty of storage through these marble wood cabinets. On the driver's side, you're going to have this black 3-person couch that does pull out into a bed. You're going to have a 2-person dinette made out of that same luxurious marble wood with plenty of plugs down here. And you actually get surround sound speakers, so you can bump tunes in this thing all day long. And then come down to this refrigerator. Take a look at just how big this is. This is a Whirlpool residential refrigerator straight out of a house. This thing is sweet. But I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the bedroom, because that thing is killer. Once you take a step into the bedroom, the first thing that you're going to notice is just how much room I have to walk here. And that's because there's a slide on both sides, so you're going to get plenty of room. It truly does feel like a room in a house in this thing. And then moving along, you're going to have your Sharp TV here. This is storage for things like your DVD player or even a game console if you want. And then you have 6 drawers down here for storage. All these drawers are actually carpet lined, so you're going to get better sound deadening and more protection from the outside environment, so it'll stay cooler or hotter in here. Moving along from there, right here you have more storage up above. And then right in here, you have a washer-dryer combo, so you can do your laundry while you're on the road. Right here, you're going to have an absolutely massive closet with both storage up above on your hang bar and storage underneath, so you can actually store stuff underneath the carpet. And then moving along, you get an absolutely massive king-size bed. This thing is huge, both tall and wide. You could fit at least 4 people on here. And then moving along, we have storage up above next to the headboards with dual reading lights. And you see that window right there? That thing's pretty sweet. It's actually actuated to be a cover, shade, or completely open at just the push of a button. Moving along into the bathroom and shower, I want you guys to just take a look at all the gold accents in here. This thing truly is an experience no matter where you are. Along the flooring of the shower and bathroom area, you have this very shiny granite tile, and then all these gold accents next to all the storage you have in these cabinets. This thing has a ton of space and truly is luxurious. Now I know what you're probably thinking. That diesel pusher is probably mad expensive. And back in 2005, you'd be right. This thing MSRP'd for over $506,000. And right now, JD Power values it at around $118,000. But available now at Worldwide RV, we have it posted for only $98,741. That's a steal of a deal, and I think for what you're getting, seems like a very fair price. So come on down to Worldwide RV today, or simply give us a call. 480-832-5600. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in this Beaver soon.